Something exciting is happening over at Timumachtikan Nawat, and find out how you can be part. For the first time in the teaching history of Timumachtikan Nawat, they're going to be offering classes from English to Nawat, and it's open to everyone. Who can sign up to these classes? Everyone. Again, these courses are open to everyone, as many people from different parts of the world have expressed interest in learning Nawat. How much are these classes? What's the cost? The classes are free for the students. However, we are organizing a GoFundMe campaign to raise $3,000 Canadian, which is about $2,000 US. This money is going to go to our elders, who are the teachers. They are the native Nawat speakers. Many of us know the benefits of learning a new language, but why would it be amazing for you to be part of Timumachtikan Nawat and to learn this language through them? Well, because aside from being wonderful and amazing teachers, they have also worked in other projects, such as in November, they're going to be publishing the very first dictionary in Nawat, written by a native Nawat speaker. Here's another initiative. The students and teachers have been working really hard on writing articles for Wikipedia in Nawat. And there are other projects in the horizon, but you have to sign up to these classes to find out more. And in case you're wondering, Nawat? Don't you mean Nawal? Nawal comes from Mexico. However, this language was spoken in different regions in the Americas. It was spoken in El Salvador. It was spoken in Nicaragua. At Timumachtikan Nawat, you would be learning the Salvadorian variant. So look at all the cool stuff you learned in one short video. For more information, please check the link and tags in this video.